Oh my goodness. Everybody in the YouTube land, you need to wake up. Well, except for us. We had a nasty shot done yesterday and we feel like crap. But we gotta find ourselves a winner. So if, oh, by the way, my name is Sassy Pants, the queen of skincare. So, and look at, I just, for the love of Jesus, and just church up in here. I was just trying to get you guys a winner for the American influencer. There was a giveaway with a secret word. Used it in a sentence. The word was box. So my deepest apologies. This one was unboxing in the middle of a mess. So I'm gonna go ahead. I just want you to know there it all is. The video is pasted. All of this, filter out, I don't know. The lady does all this for me. So there's the word box, and she said I have to do a little bit of arithmetic. I said, what the hell? I haven't even, you know, I don't even know Greek. Shut the hell up. Why are you even in here? Because this is the bigger TV? You should be sleeping. It's dumbass over here. Okay, so let's do arithmetic. It's lazy ass. I need some help. Where's Smart Cookie? Smart Cookie, hello. Shh. They left me by myself. Okay, so 1 plus 5, you guys, is... Okay, we'll just put 6 in there and see if it works, okay? Get the comments. There's 24. Oh, yes, there is. Okay, now, there, you see? Okay, you guys can't see it. All right, let's do this. Just quit screwing around. You know what? I told myself that. I don't need your personal advice. Just shut the hell up, dumbass. Okay, here we go. And just, we had to do it over because it was just picking the first person on the list. So my deepest apologies. I'm just, you know, I'm not very smart in this department up here. But, you know, it's because I need the lady and Smart Cookie. All right, let's go. Who was it? Who won? Oh my God, congratulations. Life with Lois won. She won that big old bucket full of skincare. Congratulations to Life with Lois. Sassy, dump a bucket into a box. Cool idea. Missed you guys. You're so loved. Oh my God, these are my fans. My fans. Everybody, congratulations to Life with Lois. She does all kinds of stuff outside. Oh, you should see her garden. Oh, it's go check out her website, you guys, the YouTube channel. Miss Lady's gonna put it down below in the destruction box. Okay, everybody say congratulations. Life with Lois. That's absolutely fantastic. Congratulations, Miss Lady. Lois. Okay, but lazy ass, just two lazy asses right here. Miss Choco Taco and Miss Lazy Ass. Okay, you know, Netflix. All right, you guys, that's all I gotta share. So congratulations to Life with Lois. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Peace.